1972 Chevrolet Nova. Guys, here at MGM Classic Cars, this is definitely a 427 SYC clone YENKO. Beautiful red paint on the exterior, guys. Great driver quality. Nice chrome, nice SS grille, as you can see it there. Decals have been added that could come off the vehicle if need be. As you can see, the MT Radial GTs on the factory chrome lip rally wheels. Black vinyl top, guys. The vinyl top has not been installed 100% correct. This is not rust underneath here. It's just loose, okay? So let's just keep that in mind. I want to make sure that I tell you guys the right thing here. Nice straight body on the car, guys. Newer chrome all around, newer tail lights, trim around the vehicle as well. Beautiful on both sides. Great driver quality car. Big curb appeal for the money, guys. As you can see there. Let's check out the interior really quick. So, as you can see, they put the YENKO decal there, guys. I'm sure here at one time was a to control the mirror here, a power mirror, or should I say with the hand-controlled power mirror. Door panels, they're in good condition. I mean, small little rip here. I'd probably buy a new pair for like $200 on eBay. But door lips are nice. Weather stripping is good. Factory pinch welds. Under the doors, no rots. Inner outer jambs are in good condition. Black buckets. As you can see, the Hearst quarter stick there. Upgraded cluster with the autometer gauges. Nice back seat as well, guys. Headliner's good. SS steering wheel with tilt wheel. Underneath is super nice. You guys can check that out on our websites with pictures underneath the car. Passenger side of the YENKO, clean. This door panel is much better, but you can buy them in a pair. Inner outer jambs are good as well. Dash pad's good. Labeled as a 427 YENKO, but this is a 454 big block, guys. It's got the MSD ignition. You got hooker headers, upgraded aluminum radiator with huge fan. Decent under the hood. I mean, you could make it look a little bit nicer. As far as the brakes are concerned, they are disc in the front. All right, I'm sure you guys want to hear this beast. Let's do it. We're gonna have to fix the fuel gauge. Man, that's a nice cam in that thing. Look at that response. Snap, crackle, pop, baby. All right, one of my favorite parts here, guys, is test driving these beautiful classic muscle cars. Got tilt wheel in this baby. Wipers work. Horn is not currently working, but we will fix it. Turn signals are functioning. Headlights. Oh, what a badass hot rod, man. that fuel gauge to function, but everything will be working as shown. Badass car, man. Brakes feel good, steering feels good. No weird noises going down the road. Easy to drive. It's got a nice torque converter in this thing and a nice stall speed, man. Woo! Freaking love it. Sorry, I get a little too excited. This is a pure example of a freaking hot rod, man. Got great oil pressure at 50 pounds, steady. Man, I miss these hot rods. Holy shit, man! You wanna haul ass and look good? This is it. This is the car where everybody will go, yeah, I'm not racing that car. Even though it's doesn't mean it's not built for racing. I mean, it's built for the streets. It's not a drag car. It's got no cage in it. No overheating at all. I mean, freak, man, this is awesome. I love it. Love it. Well, listen, if you guys need financing, your credit score is between like 640 and 780. You will need, 10% down. You can also add and roll in your sales tax for your states, and you can also roll in the delivery charges as well. If your credits, go to mgmclassiccars.com for the application. For those of you with a credit score at 785 and higher, go directly to my lender's website at lightstream.com. Fill it out. No money down option is available there, guys. Oh man, I want to rip this freaking tires off this car. If you need delivery, grab a pen. I'm going to give you my cell number. I need you to text me or call me with your zip code. Kidding when I tell you that's quarter throttle, guys. I'm not even freaking kidding. Hope you got that pen handy. I'm gonna calm down a little bit. Woo! Man, thumbs up wherever we go. All right, so if you need, let's see, financing, we talked about that. If you need delivery, call or text me with your zip code. My number is area code 847-848-1850. Text me your area code, and I will get you a quote right to your driveway, guys. We're licensed, insured, and bonded. All cars will be placed through the service department on the items that I'm going to fix, as I talked about, before it gets shipped out. Badass hot rod, man. This thing has to have over 500 horse. It just feels way too powerful on the throttle. So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. I welcome you guys to come over, go for a test drive together if you're not busy. We're 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and we are 45 minutes from Midway Airport, guys. Come on by. Listen, if you don't have time, I understand. That's why I make these long videos, to show you guys the cars. I've been doing this for 26 freaking years, man. When I tell you it's a good car, it's a good car. If it's a fast car, it's a fast car. Baby, this is it. If you want the best of both worlds. You want to look good and go fast? Thumbs up everywhere you go. This is it. It's holding at 160 temperature. Wow, unbelievable. And it's 89 degrees out. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Every time I hit the throttle, that's how I freaking feel. And that's how you're gonna feel too. God. All right, guys. My number is 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code. We'll talk soon. Bye.